How do you explain introvert alone time to an extrovert? Coming up. What's up, legend? It's Sherman here from Geek Psychology, helping you find your true character and level it up so you can play life better. Isn't that a great thing? Like living a better life, playing it better. I like to bring in a lot of RPG kind of role-playing game metaphors and analogies as well because I'm a gamer. And if you're not, that's okay too, because what we're really doing is we're just taking archetypes and tropes and those kind of that knowledge that you have through pop culture, through watching TV and movies, Marvel movies and things like that, Lord of the Rings, and bringing that into real-life personal growth. And so with teaching or telling, let's not say teaching, we'll say telling people how an introvert works when they're an extrovert. I personally like to go through the idea of offensive types and defensive types. The offensive types are the extroverts, and that's going out there and engaging and innovating, exploring, running in there, commanding, taking charge, being the envoy, right? It's more proactive engagement in real time and with as many things as possible a lot of times. Though not always, yes, these are stereotypes and it's a model, and a model is just a way of helping you understand reality, right? It's not there to be the end-all discussion of the thing, because that is the thing, right? It's a way of helping you understand that, right? So you have the offensive, right? And that's necessary, right? You got to go take actions. You need to. Even if you're an introvert, you got to do that stuff. And then there's the defensive types, the introverts, the ones that are a little bit more cautious, a little, scoping things out before they go in there, trying to check the plans, the schematics, how they understand the situation, maybe checking in with the lore and, understanding it and maybe even thinking about, well, what is the actual meaning of all this before engaging it, before running in there, before getting your hands on the thing and tackling the gerblin. And that's necessary too. And so when explaining alone time, I like to just reference it as I just need time to, distance myself a little bit from stuff and recharge myself, kind of rebuild my energy, process some things a little bit more before I can go back in there. Because it's not my natural stance. It's not my natural orientation to life. And so if you want me to play better, if you want me to be more engaged, I need time to go, just kind of be with myself and process things, go through my thoughts and organize my my quest log, sort my inventory a little bit and just move things around like that. That feels good for me, and that's going to give me the ability to engage more fully with you. Explaining it like that seems to be pretty helpful. Also, as with anything, if you understand the other person's approach and you can actually respect that and you approve of it, you accept it fully, well, as fully as you can, then it's a lot easier to explain these things, right? If you have a little grudge within you, towards the other person, towards the other type or whatever it is, you can't be empathetic or sympathetic with them, right? And so really understanding that within yourself is one key thing. But if you're likening it to them, you want to go out there, you want to be with people, you want to get new experiences and enjoy the moment or whatever it is, get things done. That's cool. And sometimes you do that so much, then you kind of forget where you are, right? You go out there a little bit too much and you're like, wait, I was questing over here, wasn't I? Isn't this where I should be? Well, how did I get over here? Right? And that necessity to go within yourself and understand where you sit is how I live. That's my approach to reality as an introvert. You could explain it like that. Also, you can explain it like, well, the more you engage with new circumstances, new situations, new people, whatever it is, new events. You're doing things, you're peopling, and that makes you feel good, right? That's a good feeling, right? And then when you have to stop and you have to like just clench and just hold it all in. Hold what in? I'm not going to tell you. And you're sitting there and you're like, I just want to go do something. You know, I got some FOMO. I'm getting a little antsy. Like that uncomfortable like situation and feeling within you. That's what I get when I'm doing stuff out there. When I'm out there with you, accompanying you, and we're going out and doing whatever we're doing. Like, that's kind of how I feel inside. So do you understand? Do you understand a little bit more of like what's going on with me? And they'll probably say, yeah, but that's weird. And so be it. But hopefully you got somebody that's a little bit more understanding. Yeah. If you're interested in more videos like going into personality type and going into the differences of the cognitive functions within the Myers-Briggs type, you can check them out over here. There's my finger is pointing over here. All right, and I hope this video was helpful. Keep up the lifelong quest and good luck, have fun. Peace.